I'm gonna try some conch stew right here. That is so good. Hi everyone, David Hoffman from Davidsbeenhere in my hometown of Miami, Florida, and today I'm taking you on an epic Caribbean food tour of Little Haiti. This area is known for its multicultural heritage, and there is no better place to try authentic Caribbean food in Miami. I'm taking you today to visit 3 restaurants to sample Jamaican, Dominican, and Haitian cuisines. Honestly, all I know is Caribbean food is full of both flavors. I'm super excited, I'm starving. Let's go eat some Caribbean food in Little Haiti. Okay, so our first stop today is Clive's Cafe. It's a Jamaican restaurant. They're known for their curry goat and their jerk chicken.
Hi, my name is Beverly. Clive's Cafe is my family restaurant. It was originated from Jamaica. We came here from Jamaica and opened up a restaurant in Wynwood, and we started from there. You tried the curry goat, the oxtail, and a jerk chicken. Our jerk chicken is cooked on the grill, not on charcoal, on wood fire. And we make our own jerk sauces. The oxtail, we stew it down with butter beans to delicious with different flavors in it. And also the curry goat is spicy, but not too spicy, with real curry seasoning and herbs and spices.
So the first dish I'm gonna try is goat curry, or curry goat. And this is one of the most famous dishes in Jamaica. So as you can see, curry, we got rice with curry on top, and we have some cabbage. Ooh. That is delicious. Ooh, it's a little hot. So many flavors in this curry. So I have to get a little bit of the rice. I love goat. The only problem with goat is there's usually a lot of bones. Oh, it's a nice piece right here. Oh, this is amazing. The curry, extremely rich with flavors. So a lot of different spices in it. I could eat this nonstop. I love this curry. Bones. This is amazing, by the way. Yes, the spices in that curry are just out of control.
That's the jerk chicken, rice and peas, and
oh man. Thank you so much. Here we have the jerk chicken. Every single day that I was in Jamaica, I ate this. Oh, it's amazing. This is oxtail.
Yes.
And then obviously, should I use my hands for this? Or?
Yeah.
So you make this yourself right here?
Yeah.
It looks like a barbecue sauce.
Sure.
So for the jerk chicken, as she was saying, it's a type of seasoning that they use in Jamaica. Here it's like a barbecue sauce, but it's a jerk sauce. This takes me straight back to Jamaica. And then here we have the prize winner, huh?
Yes.
So this is the tail
Of the ox.
of the ox. Okay, with butter beans.
Yes.
It's so good, but this is really nice. I'm gonna go back to this one for a little bit. I gotta really slow down. Did I what?
The plantains?
Oh, I haven't tried the plantains. Okay, so this is like Maduro in a way.
Yeah.
Right? I've been eating this my whole life. You know? Yeah, but I mean, this goat is outstanding. The only problem for me with goat is that I always get little bones everywhere, you know?
Oh, yeah.
Right there. That was some amazing Jamaican food. My favorite thing was the goat curry, but I might be biased because I love curry and goat. The jerk chicken took me straight back to Montego Bay in Jamaica. If you're thinking about eating Jamaican food while you're in Miami, you definitely have to come here to Clive's Cafe. It is amazing. Next up, we're headed to Seven Seas Restaurant and Fish Market to try some Dominican cuisine.
Yo soy Nicolas Paulino, soy procedente de San Francisco Macorís, República Dominicana. Estoy aquí en Miami, cerca de Little Haiti, con la finalidad de dar un servicio esencial, excepcional respecto a la frescura, calidad, servicio en la comida, que es lo esencial, a dar un servicio de calidad sobre todo y comida fresca. Muchas gracias.
This is a typical Dominican breakfast dish. It's called Mangu, and it looks amazing.
Este es el plátano para elaborar el mangú. Eso es plátano que se ha producido en Santo Domingo.
Mangu with eggs, salami, fried cheese, and red onion.
Red onion.
Okay,
red onion with little white vinegar and olive oil.
So white vinegar and olive oil. Okay, perfect.
We don't do fried. We do
Okay.
we boil it.
Buenísimo.
Yeah, she want salad. She want salad and touch with the egg. It's very simple. I like customer like that.
This is the seafood soup?
This is my house seafood soup.
Your house seafoud soup. So you have calamari, shrimp, and clams in the seafood soup. Okay, so clam juice. Okay, perfect. Está delicioso, man. Wow. So this is your spicy sauce, okay? Look, you know.
The homemade.
So you can see the shrimp right there. So it's like a seafood soup. Feels like there's some rice in here. A little spicy. Muy rico, sí, 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 muy rico. So here we have the fluke fish, and inside he put crab meat, and then it's a red pepper marinara sauce. Looks outstanding. Have you eaten this today?
I ate more Sunday.
Wow, bro, this is amazing. Under we have mashed potatoes, carrots, and rice. I love how he put the crab meat inside. Different twist to it. I love the sauce. And the crab meat, you blow me away. So they have specialties, and then they also have a set menu. And this fish is one of the special items for today. And so fluke is like a flounder in a way. It's like a cousin of a flounder. Yes. That was a delicious meal here at Seven Seas Restaurant. I love the fish with the crab inside, and that seafood soup was so delicious, very rich in flavors. Its spicy sauce is very unique. And now we're gonna go eat at Piman Bouk. This is a Haitian restaurant. I'm super excited because I've never eaten Haitian food in my life. Let's go eat some Haitian food. So we arrived in Piman Bouk, and what I'm gonna try here is fried pork and fried goat. Those are the two main dishes I wanna try. And Vivette, the manager, is gonna talk to us a little bit about the restaurant.
Rice and beans.
That's the way they cook it?
White rice.
White rice,
Yes.
nice.
Okay, this is soup vegetable. Okay, this is the beans. This is the fried pork, this is the fried goat.
We're gonna have fried goat and fried pork, and this is spicy?
Yes, spicy.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
That looks so good.
Yes. This is a stew goat. Grits with
Okay.
the beans. This is a vegetable cooked with the pork. Stew chicken. This is the stew turkey. This is oxtail. Conch.
Oh, you know, we should try a little bit of that. Tiny.
Yeah. Okay. This is a spinach.
Another delicacy in Haiti is conch stew.
Yes.
Ooh, look at that, it looks so good. I'm gonna try some conch stew right here. That is so good. Conch, if you ever been to the Caribbean, you know what conch is. So nice, chewy, delicious.
This is something spicy.
Yeah,
You see
why
this one? When you eat it with this one, this is really good.
Okay, put it on it, it's perfect.
Same thing. This is the goat.
Oh.
Again, spicy. It's really good.
This is fried pork with like a spicy sauce, which is cabbage.
Yes.
It's still hot?
Yes, it's
It's still a little hot. Wow, it's spicy. Very chewy. Let's dive into the goat. Is there bones in this?
no bones.
No bones? But see, that's the hard part for me with goat. There's always bones, you know?
Yeah.
Wow. So they fry the pork and the goat for about 5 minutes. Then they put this like cabbage, spicy cabbage on top. This restaurant is from 2001, so they're over 16 years old, 17 years this year.
Yes.
The spice gives it a nice little kick, you know? And I love the pork. Like it's very different from regular pork the way I've eaten it.
Yeah.
And it's not too fried. It's not too deep, you know?
Yes.
If you've never had fried pork or fried goat, you gotta come to this restaurant. This is delicious.
Yes, guys. If you coming to visit to Miami, please, I want you to come pass by to visit us. This is the best Haitian soda. Cola-Cuan.
Coracuan.
Yes.
Fruit champagne.
Yes.
I've never had this before. Really fruity. Refreshing, especially when it's so hot in Haiti, you know?
Okay, this is the sound.
So that's it. Our Caribbean food tour of Little Haiti is over. We tried Jamaican, Dominican, and Haitian. Loved everything. My favorites were the goat curry, the fish with crab, and this fried goat I just had is outstanding. I've never had fried goat, and it's just so delicious. And the spicy cabbage they put on top just gives it a whole different flavor. It's like bang, deliciousness. I hope you guys like this video. If you have any other restaurants in Little Haiti that you recommend, please leave us a comment below and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys on the next adventure. Let's go.